Gotta go real fast. I've got 14 minutes till our Zoom call. I can make it. All right, write a fraction to make each number sentence true. 1a. We got 6/11 times something equals 6/11. Well, guess what? Those two look really close to me to be the same thing. So you put any number up here, you just put it down here. Because any numerator and denominator, when they're the exact same thing, it means, bingo, 1. And anything times 1 is itself. All right, we're moving on. Let's go to B. All right, 6/11 times something equals, no, not equals, it's greater than 6/11. We want this side to be bigger than this side. So we have to put something here that's bigger than 1. So no matter what you put here, 729 this time, put something smaller down here. I'm gonna put 14, okay? Doesn't matter what you put as long as this one is bigger than this one. All right, last one. I bet you're starting to sense a pattern, aren't you? 6/11. This one's less than, so we want this stuff to be less than. That means no matter what you put here, we'll put a 46. This one's gotta be bigger, 49. Because that means it's a little bit smaller than 1. In my case, you could have done it a lot smaller than 1. Doesn't matter, but when you multiply something times something that is less than 1, the answer is smaller. So this is smaller than that. And that's number 1. Moving quick. Here we go. Okay. Write a division number sentence that matches the picture below. Your dividend should be a whole number and your divisor should be a fraction. Okay. Well, we started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. 5 big old circles. And we're dividing it up into fourths. Looks like that to me, huh? 5 divided by fourth means how many fourths are there in 5 full-size objects? And the answer is, count up all the little pieces and you get 220. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, sure do. All right, let's go on to Noah. Noah bought 8.5 gallons of gas. I don't know what he's doing that for, because the kid doesn't even drive, okay? Is he making like Molotov cocktails or something? He should be stopped by somebody. All right, gas is $3.90. Let me tell you, the Saudi Arabians have flooded the market and lowered the prices. Nobody's paying $3.90 anymore right now for a gallon of gas. All right, how much did he pay? We're doing $3.90. I'm gonna do the 85 down here. Or, oops, not an 85, it's an 8.5. Doesn't really matter which one you put up top, but now, I know that my answer is gonna be 9 times, say, 4, 36. My answer is gonna be about 36. That'll tell me where to put the decimal in the end. Watch teacher go, boom, bam, 45, carry the 4, 5, 15, 19. Take me home. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 9 is 72. Carry the 7. 8 times 3 is 24, and 7 is 31. Bam. 0, 5, 1. Carry the 1. 3, 3. Or I could do it this way. Say, how many digits are after a decimal spot? 1, 2, 3. Come over here. 1, 2, 3. Either way works. 33.15. That is the amount of money that Noah spent, even though he shouldn't have been allowed to spend anything, because he, like a 10-year-old, 11-year-old going and buying gas, shouldn't be doing that. Okay, number 4. What are all the possible names for a polygon with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides? Looks like that to me, huh? 4 right angles, all these sides are the same. Square. But guess what? A square is also kind of a rectangle. So A. Circle the best answer. So don't circle B. Wrong. Could be A. Let's go on to C. Is a square a quadrilateral? Does it have 4 sides? Is it a rhombus? Rhombus means that it's a parallelogram with all those same things. Yep, that works. Is it a kite? Kite means that the 2 sides that come together touching are the same length. Yep. Yep. Is it a rectangle? Yep. Is it a square? We already covered that. Trapezoid means at least 2 of the sides are parallel. This one has more than that, but yeah. And is it a parallelogram, which means all the sides pair up with a parallel? Yep. It's C, people. C is the right answer. Writing and reasoning, how did you find your answer to 1B? Well, you need to say something like, I knew that I wanted it to be bigger than 6/11, so I had to multiply times something bigger than 1. So I made a fraction that was bigger than 1. I think that's all we got here. 269, that was not too hard. Now, get on to the home link.